Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional um, of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, it's yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 30th, 2021, because today it's Thursday, July the 1st, 2021. Not Wednesday, but in today's newspaper there are no extra Sudokus or additional, so I've decided to finish the other three puzzles in yesterday's newspaper. Alright, and this one will be number 3033. Okay, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. So it must be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No, I see here a duo box. Duo box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those two boxes. I cannot fill this directly. Alright. Dual box, triple box. I see here the triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 1. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, more triple boxes? No. Yeah, triple box. The 2 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those two boxes. I cannot fill this directly. Quadra box. I missed this dual box, the 1 and 2. Alright. More do we have more quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or constructions or structures or figures. For example, this figure. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, so this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. More? No, no, no. Then the following, this one. Yeah. Oh, too long. Yeah. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. Okay. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the figures that you need to recognize. Only 2. Yes. So next strategy is to start filling the numbers. Alright, so let's get started with filling the numbers. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround a 1. Cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. If I fill a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So those 3 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. So this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here in this cross area. So 2 numbers left. Oh, no, I made a mistake. Double 2. No, it's not correct. Okay, this box it's an error. Could be happen. So the 2 is correct. So 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box is not the solution to place the 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. No, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Okay, let me wait. 3 and the 5. I have a double 2 there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the only place for the 2 should be here in this area. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 5. Well, I cannot place a 1 here, because if this is a 1, it's connected with that box, should be also a 1. And look, we have a double 1 and a double 2 there, so it cannot be a 1. The only place for those 2 boxes should be a 5. This box should be also a 5, it's connected. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Okay. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 and the 2 goes together as a pair. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 3 and a 5 are left in this cross area. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, but also that box cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 here in this dual box. If I fill a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in those 2 boxes. So the only place for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes in there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then Okay. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 5 and 3. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. And I cannot place the 4 here, otherwise this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 there, so it must be a 2. And that box should be a 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes together as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in. Oh, double 3. Correction. Could be happen if you're not concentrated. Yes. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Finished in 30 minutes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the heavy Sudokus, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you'll find them all. Again, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Friday. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you then. Until then, bye bye for now.